Anyway, we do have an unboxing video for you today. And yes, I have to smack the box just like Jimmy V because that's what he does. But we have a brand new box here. I'm so excited to open this one up. Have some friends and family in the room because they can't wait to see it as well. And this little guy was in ministry for a long time. And I was able to recently purchase him. I have never seen him in person. He's in here. His case is in here that he originally came in. The lady we purchased this from, she used him for years in the ministry from Indiana. And so he just got here from Indiana today. And there's extra stuff in the box. We don't know what's in there. So you're going to get to see it same time we do. So it's time to get in the box. There we go. Oh, yeah. And she did a fantastic job packing this thing. All right, get that out of the way. Get that out of the way. My soul, that's a nice box. All right. Yeah. Paper. 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 All right. All right, we'll pull that out of the way. Oh, yeah.
Does it have the side handle?
No side handle. This is the case that you would get from the Maher Studios, the magic case. All right. Here we go. First time in the box.
Seals have been broken.
All right. Here we go. Bubble wrap. All right. All kinds of good stuff in here. All right, see what we got. Oh, my soul. Here we go. The original catalog. This is from when she ordered this guy new. Put that right there. Oh, I've been looking for this particular catalog. The original whittlings from Maher Workshop Deluxe carved basswood figures. Catalog. Oh, my soul. Look at that. Yeah, I've never seen one of these in person.
I'm going to lose my mind if Andy's model is in here. I don't think it will, but I'll lose my mind.
And we got these guys. We'll post some other close-ups of that on the video, so don't worry about that. And then we got these. The guy in the box right here is this one right here, Chester. But his name's Oscar. All right, so there's that one.
All right.
This is...
So you're about to see it live. You're going to see it first before the rest of them.
Oh, goodness.
He's awesome, folks. We're just going to stop the video right there. No more. No. And he's wearing cowboy boots.
Oh, no, that's cool.
I am so excited about that. All right. I got to turn him around here. All right. So I'm going to...
Let him see the face. Get him see.
No, because I got to get my hand on the controls. Are we good there? Are we good?
Yep.
All right. Go ahead and close that if you will. All right. Here he is. All right. How we doing? It's good to see everybody. My hair's messed up. Yes, it is. I'm going to set you right here on this table. And get that cleared right there. All right.
He's got some long legs.
He does.
Big boy.
Yeah, man. You need some work on your hair. I know. It's kind of crazy.
He's pigeon-toed.
All right. And let's see here. His eyes work right there. Look at that.
Yeah.
And he can blink. Oh, yeah. So this, in the catalog, his name is Chester. But for all of his life in the ministry, his name has been Oscar, and that's going to continue to be his name. Woohoo, I didn't want to lose a new one. Or you learn a new one, lose a new one. I lost my mind. I know you did. Well, you're awesome. It's so good to have you here. What do you think, guys?
He's awesome.
Hi
It's
there.
actually a lot better in person.
He is.
He looks a lot better in person.
I think it's awesome.
Yeah,
I think I like South Carolina.
You're in the South now.
I know. It's great.
You won't like the heat.
Yeah. All right.
Yeah, that that one picture with his head hanging over?
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
That was creepy.
They're talking about me. I know they are. That's not very nice. Well, I will only say good things about them
Guess what?
for now.
You're gonna have to get used to it.
Oh. All right. Well, there he is.
how do the controls
And-
feel?
I got to get used to them, but they feel great. They're smooth.
Yeah, like condition size. Yeah,
Should I
yeah.
take him out? Should.
Yeah, go for it. Yeah, absolutely.
He's got a. All right. I got to look in here because he's got
Yeah,
a.
headlock.
He's got a headlock. Now that we have disconnected the headlock, out he
Did you
comes.
say you put him in a headlock?
And so his controls look absolutely amazing. Everything works. Self-centering eyes. There's his mouth lever. And then there's the winkers.
It's just I've never seen a mouse
Really?
shaped like that before.
Yeah. But there he is.
It's like a toad.
That's how
He almost
it's
got
like
like
he
a
has a double chin.
This is Oscar. And he's our new buddy. And
Yeah,
we'll get him cleaned up a lot. But I think he looks fantastic. I'm really really excited about him. I think he's gonna be a fun character. Yeah. Yeah.
Did he have any extra clothes?
No. But
No, he just has
there's a
double
tradition
legs.
around our house with guys like this. What's that? There's a song you must sing. Oh no, don't make me do it. Yes. I ain't got no body. I knew you were gonna go there. All right. We're gonna put you back together. Thank you. All right. And we will put him back in
The more I
there.
look at him, the more I do like his face.
Oh, I think he's awesome.
Just that one picture.
There he is.
Ugh.
I think he's
He looks like an Edward Mole.
I think he's amazing. I got to get used to him because the controls are opposite for the eyes that I'm used to.
In some ways,
Those
he
eyes
looks.
controls they are a learning curve. It's the only learning curve we've got the whole figures.
Yeah.
You're
Oh,
I do
awesome.
the same thing.
In some ways, he looks like an Englishman. Yeah.
What do you say?
What did you say?
Pardon me now.
Yes.
Do you have some great on? Great minds think alike. That's exactly right. All right. Want to take a look at his body?
Yeah, why not?
Let's do it. All right. So,
I'll hold the head for you.
I'm going to take
I've
that
never-
off.
As your resident Lovik advisor.
All right.
I
There
have
you
a
go.
one sitting right there.
I have
Alright.
never seen a dummy with legs that long.
He's
Little creep.
kind of interesting, but
Yeah.
he's if you look on the back there, this is the typical Lovik style from that era, molded body, the shell with wooden at the top. I think that was to hold the
I
structure.
was wondering what that thing is. Is that like it's like a not
That's-
like a cradle, but the thing that's hanging in his body. See that?
It's
Like, was his head in that?
it kind of went by it, but I'm not really sure what that is. But yeah, I don't know if that's a cradle or what, but
Sometimes they
There he
put the
is.
year and the workshop date on the bottom.
that's what I'm looking for. But I don't see it.
These are oh, they're opposite.
Are they?
That's opposite. Because usually you push down to pull them to you. That's
Mhm.
completely opposite.
So anyway, there he is. And he's our new friend. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching.
I like
And
the hair color.
you'll see some more of Oscar coming up. But I appreciate you coming to the unboxing. There'll be more coming up. Glad that you're a part of our night tonight. Have a good day.
See ya.